Outdoor basketball season is a practical test of longevity, grip in varied weather conditions, and consistent performance across a range of surfaces. With players ranging from casual shooters to entry-level competitive athletes, the right outdoor ball should balance durability, grip, and feel at a reasonable price. For this comparison, I evaluated 5 outdoor-focused basketballs across 3 brands and 2 premium options to a budget option. Product number 1, Wilson NBA Forge Pro Indoor-Outdoor Basketball, brown. The Forge Pro line emphasizes a re-engineered dual depth channel and pure feel microfiber, partly recycled cover, aiming to blend indoor-like control with outdoor durability. It includes EverBounce to promote consistent rebound and an inflation retention lining to reduce air loss. As an official NBA product, it carries the Wilson branding and design language that many players associate with professional-grade feel. Technical highlights include a 29.5-inch size 7, and a weight around 1.7 pounds, with a 2-piece construction for stable performance on outdoor surfaces. In real-world use, the dual-depth channel helps locate a reliable pocket, which translates to improved grip during quick dribbles and catch-and-shoot scenarios.
Product number 2, Wilson NBA Forge Indoor-Outdoor Basketball, brown. The Forge Indoor-Outdoor is a close relative to the Forge Pro, focusing on a pure feel cover with an inflation retention lining and NBA Pro seams to tailor channel construction to players' preferences. It is designed to deliver a pro-like feel on both indoor and outdoor courts, with a stitch construction that emphasizes durability on varied surfaces. Weighing around 1.94 pounds, it sits slightly heavier than the Forge Pro, which can influence handling feel and ball speed during play. Performance-wise, the Pure Feel cover provides a premium touch for shooters and ball handlers who want a smoother feel on dribbles and passes. The air retention system supports longer practice blocks without constant topping off.
Product number 3, QTQ Size 5 Basketball, 27.5 for kids, youth, with visual handprint guide. This QTQ ball prioritizes youth development with a 27.5 size 5 featuring a visible hand placement guide on the surface to aid proper shooting form. Built from thick rubber for durability, it promises a softer feel and reliable bounce suitable for beginner to intermediate players practicing at home or in school gyms. Its 6-month warranty signals reasonable confidence in durability given the target audience. The visual handprint guide is a practical coaching aid that can accelerate learning correct technique, while the softer rubber surface enhances grip for smaller hands. The ball is optimized for both indoor and outdoor use. Product number 4, Wilson NBA Authentic Series Outdoor Basketballs. The NBA Authentic Series Outdoor Ball uses a tack skin cover for improved grip across weather conditions, paired with an inflation retention lining and NBA Pro seams for stable play. This model is explicitly sized as size 5, 27.5 inches, targeting youth players and instruction settings while delivering Wilson's NBA branding. Priced competitively within the premium tier, it emphasizes grip and weather reliability rather than raw weight or feel. In practice, the tack skin cover provides a consistently tacky surface in dry or damp conditions, which helps with ball control during shooting and dribbling drills. The inflation retention lining reduces air loss, allowing for longer sessions without frequent pump-ups. Product number 5, Spalding Outdoor Rubber Basketballs, performance rubber cover designed for outdoor play. Multiple sizes Spalding's outdoor rubber basketballs are a budget-focused option, featuring a durable rubber cover with a deep channel design for improved control. The product line is versatile, with multiple sizes and colors, and is shipped inflated for immediate play. The entry-level price point makes it an attractive option for families, schools, or casual players who want an approachable outdoor ball without sacrificing playability on concrete or asphalt. Performance-wise, the deep channels help players grip, dribble, and control the ball on rough outdoor surfaces. The rubber construction offers robust durability, but can feel heavier and less forgiving in terms of feedback and touch compared with premium composites or microfiber covers.